Let's talk about negotiations during a contract. You may or may not know this. There are actually three main negotiation places in a real estate transaction. There might be more, but these are the main three. So the first one is the one we're most readily familiar with, and that is when we present an offer as a buyer or receive an offer as a seller. We negotiate the price and the terms, and hopefully we're under contract. Typically, the second negotiation place is after inspections, and the buyer is asking for what we call a haircut, seller credits or a reduced price, repair request, that sort of thing. So the buyer and seller can negotiate at that point. The third negotiation place is once the appraisal comes back. If it does not come back at value, here's another opportunity to negotiate. Now, the buyer, if depending upon how the contract is written, can back out, but the seller can also go forward and negotiate if they want to work with the buyer. They can reduce the price a little bit. So let me just interject here that the idea of negotiating is for each party to come away with something, not for one party to run crazy over the other and not give up anything. It's a compromise, and any agent that's gone to negotiating school, school of hard knocks a lot of times, knows this. I've just come through a harrowing experience with an agent who was really hard to deal with because the buyer was not willing to give up anything, actually. The seller was very willing to do a lot of stuff, and the agent seemed to be, frankly, part of the problem. So as agents, we need to really facilitate that and do a good job with our client. Obviously, we have a fiduciary duty to our client, but there's an idea of compromise when it comes to negotiating. So, interjection done, rant over. Let's head to closing. We've finished our negotiations and we're ready to close this thing.